Good morning everyone. So here we are, day 20. So we are getting closer to finishing our this series. So I'm sure you're waiting for it. Let's get started. Come to the center of the mat. Keep your both the legs slightly apart from each other. Open up your shoulders, drop your hands down. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Totally relaxing and completely relaxing your mind and body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale once again and exhale. Now slowly open your eyes. Lift your both the hands up straight. Now try to hold the elbow. Now push your elbow back, drop your chin down and relax. Inhale, push your elbow back. Tuck your tummy in and exhale. Inhale. Now exhale to the side. Slowly create a circle with the help of your spine and the stomach and go back. Clockwise, let's do this 3 times, anti-clockwise 3 times. Try to go slow so that you can really feel the deeper stretch in the spine as well as in your stomach. One more time. And exhale. Open up your chest, look up. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Same thing the other side. Inhale. Move to the side. Forward. Inhale. Side. Forward. Last one. Inhale to the side. Forward. Now inhale. Open up your chest once again. Slowly release your both the arms and drop your head down. Chin down. Come back to center. Now come back to the edge of the mat. Okay. So now try to round your shoulder inside. Engage your stomach. Slowly start going down and slowly bend your knee. Drop your hands down and slowly start walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward, inhale. Exhale, slowly try dropping your body weight down. Inhale, lift your chest up. Now try looking back at your heel. 1, 2. Bend your elbow every time you turn to make it easier. One more. Inhale and exhale. Now from here, come to mountain posture. Start walking back slowly. 1. Bend your knee if it is needed. Really slow. Bend your knee if it is needed. Move to the side. And move to the other side. And from here, drop your hands down completely. Let your shoulders be rounded. Slowly come back to center. And then slowly drop your shoulders back. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly once again round your shoulders and start rounding your spine right here. Engage your stomach. Keep going down, 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 down. Once you reach here, try to drop your chest down to the thighs. You can bend your knee as much as you can. Now slowly start walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you reach the center, stay here for a few seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly drop your stomach down drop your head down. Toe pointing outside, keep your palm next to the chest. Inhale and exhale. Slowly lift your chest up. Now, once again, look at your heel. 1. Change. 2. Change. Last one, 3. Change. From here, come back to Parvatasana. Try to bend your knee. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Slowly start walking back. Baby steps, really slow, so that you can feel your hamstrings. Bend your knee, get your chest closer to the thighs, look forward. If you're not able to reach here even after bending your knee, just like be here, it's fine. 1, 2, 3, turn to the side. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're not able to walk this way, you can just do the swing. Okay? If you're able to reach the floor easily, you can just turn to the side. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come back to center. Round your shoulder. Slowly release all the stress from the shoulder. Close your eyes for a second. Observe your spine. Take a deep breathe in, breathe out. Now from here, once again, slowly go down. Continue to bend your knee. Drop your hands on the knee. Try to look forward. Keep your knee softly bent. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly try to go down. It's okay if you have to bend your knee a little more. Come back to full plank, and from full plank, try to stretch into Parvatasana. Try dropping your knee down. Stretch your complete body once. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, take your right leg all the way up towards the ceiling. And slowly get your right leg next to the right palm outside. And then get your left leg next to the left palm outside. Come to Malasana. Once you come to Malasana, place your elbow to the knee. Try to stretch it out. Lift your spine up. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly. Now, drop your both the hands forward. Okay? From here, try to lift your knee how much ever you can. Keep your knee slightly bent. Drop your complete palm down. So now forward and back. Forward and back. Forward. Keeping your entire palm on the floor is important. It's okay if you have to keep your knee bent. If you're able to keep your knee straight, that's also fine. Otherwise, just keep your knee straight and just forward and back. And now bend your knee nicely and get your get your hands back in between both the legs, and slowly take your leg back to full plank and start walking back slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your elbow. Release your both the hands and slowly come back. Come back to center. Lift your hands up straight. Give a gentle back bend, because lot of forward bending would actually, you might feel little bit of discomfort in your spine, but doing this posture should make you feel better. And exhale, relax. Keep your both the legs apart from each other. Inhale and exhale. Observe your breath. Try to slow down your breath, even if it is not by default. Pay some attention. Try to breathe slowly. Just relax yourself. Now, slowly open your eyes. Get your both the legs together. Let's try this again one more time. Trying to round the shoulder, round the spine. Engage your stomach. Slowly keep going down, going down, going down, and start to bend your knee. The moment you feel there's a tightness in your hamstring, and once you reach the floor, slowly start walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, try to lift your spine up. Take your palm back if you want, one step. Now this time, lift your left leg all the way up. And exhale, get it forward next to the palm outside. And get your other leg also same next to the palm outside. You're in Malasana now. In Malasana, try to lengthen your spine and push your elbow. Try to push your knee out with the help of your elbow. Lift your spine up straight, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Keep lengthening your spine. Try to have a very strong posture where you're not like completely relaxed, Genuinely, if you are a super beginner and if you feel it's really hard, then it's okay. As far as you're trying, you're putting your effort, it's good. But if you are able to do this, but still you just want to be like relaxing here, try not to do that. Try to be in a very strong form in this posture. Now extend your both the hands forward and complete palm is on the ground. Now we're going to repeat the same thing which we tried few minutes ago. You're going to lift your hip up. Now keep your knees bent. Your chest is closer to the thighs. Now lean forward, lift your heel up and stretch back on your fingers. Forward, back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. One more time, forward and back. Slowly take your both the hands back. Take your legs back and then keep your both the knee apart from each other. Drop your hip down, extend your hands forward, relax. You can cross your both the hands, turn your head to the right and close your eyes. This is much more relaxing, I feel. If you think keeping your both the hands forward is better, you can choose anything. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Now from here, slowly come back to full plank. Get your right leg in between both the palm. Okay. Now keep your front leg in 90 degree, back knee down. From here, just to feel a little bit of a more stretch in the hip joint. Now see, 90 degree, gonna stretch down, come back. Stretch down, deeper stretch, come back. Let's do this 5 times. Exhale. Inhale. 3, 2, 1 and hold. If possible, be here, or if it is too difficult, you can be here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your hands down. From here, lift your knee up. Now, try dropping your knee in between both the palm. Try not to sit just the way you can see right now. This is wrong. You're not supposed to sit down, but I'm sitting here just to show you that you are supposed to keep your heel out of the thigh. And again, you're going to come back to center. You're both the knee trying to be away from each other. Cross your both the hands down and drop your head down. Just try to feel the stretch here. Just breathe in, breathe out. Head down. Close your eyes. Now, slowly come back to center. Tuck your toe inside. Lift your knee up. Take your leg back to Parvatasana so that you can relax your leg. Now let's try the same thing other side. Get your left leg in between both the palm. Drop your knee down. Now you see, from here you're going to press your hip down and release. Down and release. Let's do this 3 more times. 3, 2, 1. Here. Now you know 2 options. Either you keep your hands down or you keep your hands here. Tucking your toe inside will give you a lot of balance. So just try being here. 3, 2, drop your hip down, down, down. And 1, slowly drop your palm down. Lift your knee up. Try dropping your knee in between both the palm. Keep your both the knee apart from each other. Deep breath in. Slowly cross your both the hands down, drop your head down. Just be here and observe the stretch. From here, slowly come back to center. Give a stretch, tuck your toe inside, lift your knee up. Give a nice stretch to the complete body. Breathe in, breathe out. Drop your knee down and relax in Vajrasana. Now from here, just come to Vajrasana, close your eyes. Drop your shoulder weight down, slow down your breath. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly get your both the palm together. Rub your both the palm. Drop it on your eyes and face. Open your eyes and look into your palm. Thank you so much. I hope you got all the asanas and all the alignments properly. And if you did, and if you did not, just try dropping a comment so that next time when I make some videos, if I know that certain things are not very easy to understand, I'll try to make it easy. And if you did enjoy the practice with me, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you again in next session tomorrow. Thank you so much.